Now get ready to life. Or old daddy retired. You ever take y'all dirty south 15% to the bullshit. Tell us from the Crip. Ask a Crip nigga if you don't know what the fuck I mean. Then you die, take yourself and not the things you did, nigga.
Song's closed. I know it. I told you everything.
Hey, Jesus in it too. He in my black ass too. On the set.
I'm gonna just walk back home.
My white ass something. He in my ass too though. You know what I'm saying? I'ma need that nigga to make shit fuck me. We all gonna need him. We all gonna need him for the forgive your motherfucking ass when your ass get there for doing the shit the fuck you did to us and my ancestors. You ain't give a fuck about being the president they did for us, nigga. Campaign, nigga, shit. Tasmanian the devil. Wah. I ain't bad, no, I'm bad ass, no, I'm super, no, I'm triple bad, I ain't evil, nigga, shit, the evil from around, bad in my mother, think it's a game, fuck you, man.
Yeah, that's how you do it. That's that old school ass stove. It is. I wasn't even born yet.
I'm hot right now, hot like the hell it's supposed to fucking be, nigga. Dear feds, I love a branching. I always feel like somebody, man, you know, put that there to the race, that bullshit out the system. I trust the badge. Yeah, like the man in the suit, I got respect for you. But if you had like the suit, fuck your mace, your can, and your fucking boots, you can take that shirt off, I'll whoop your fucking ass, get all the way unprofessional, nigga. Keep it in these streets, nigga. I have nigga kill your ass before December if I come up missing in September, nigga. Fuck you mean, kill your ass before the winter. Shit, fuck you mean, 9 lives, I got 9 rats. Shit. You know, 100, nigga, I'm one. And I love my 100 that I fuck with, nigga, shit. I don't fuck with no cops, I fuck with officers. So, real percentage, nigga, like Bruce said he came home, nigga. Shit, he got me on. You better be thank God that he got me all the time, so I don't take his shirt off. Ex-murderer boss. Ex-murderer reverend. Ex-duns of the South, nigga. I'm the reverend in the booth. I spit the true Southside century. 13 years, a decade on the Southside. Murderer around, murderer gang. What the fuck you mean? On the set, nigga. Had to cool off in the north side, nigga. Shit, you know where I'm at, nigga. Triple D downtown, nigga. In that Dallas killer, fuck you mean, right here, nigga. I was cool for the winter. Had to cool the fuck off. Headed back to the South, murderer talk. South Central, nigga, fuck you mean, right here. Why, nigga? Fuck you mean, I came here to go see all my niggas. And rest in peace to my souls and all that peace and rest. Gang water devil, the water beat back up, nigga, on the set, nigga. She fucking me, nigga, 5 dudes holding, nigga, shit. That's my 4 trade killers, nigga. They took the wheels on the set, nigga, shit. On 5 dudes Hoover, keep the world moving, choosing. Ask Rusty Loke and my nigga B.E. How to put down 2 times. You wanna ask my jewel ass took the wheels, nigga. Some niggas still even in the beat. Put that ass back in the crib. On Crip, nigga, get the air out the stoves left to heal. Now this rap chill, nigga, rap chat, nigga, rap tap, nigga. Now in trap, you can't rap that, nigga. You can't rap that, nigga. Shit fucking mean, that's a rap, nigga. Fuck a rap chick, nigga. Still tell me, she fucking money. $400, you know.
I mean, I was there once upon a time, but I just did it because, you know, I needed to do it because
you need something, shit, fuck me, $400 for I got 5 lost silver suits. They can't fuck with the truth.
Well, this is before I got on the run.
Ringtone rap chat news.
Before I did all that.
Ringtone news.
Yeah, I tried to go up there and try to work it out.
But I'm more happy than sad. 100, nigga, shit, 5150, nigga, add that shit up, nigga. Then one, I'm the ignorant shit without ignorant that shit. You want this shit, nigga.